What do I already have? Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today this video is going to be another unboxing. I know you guys are loving these, or hopefully you guys are loving these. I think y'all have definitely loved my unboxings in the past, and since I've been MIA for a while, I decided to, you know, go ahead and get some stuff. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not new here, thank you for coming back to watch another video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I know I always say that I need to get a new line, right? But anyways, so in my previous video, that weekly video that I did, I went shopping. As y'all could see, I know I sucked. I mean, I blurred out the stuff so y'all couldn't see what I actually got, because I didn't want you to see it yet, since I wanted to do this unboxing. But when I went shopping, I did also pick up a pair of Off-Whites. This is my first pair of Off-Whites. I had seen a pair, which I will go ahead and upload so you guys can see. I saw these pair of Off-Whites and I was like, oh my god, I have to have a pair. And then I went to the store to try to go get them and they didn't have them, so I ended up getting a different colorway or whatever. So let's go ahead and get these bad boys unboxed so you guys can see what I got. So these come with that same little luxury bag that all of the little designer shoes come with, and then they have like little cards and stuff in here, little instructions of care and stuff like that. Tells you how to, you know, how to care for the shoes. And here's the colorway that I went with, y'all. So they're already laced because I'm actually gonna wear these today with this outfit. But yeah, here's what these look like. They look like such little skater shoes, right? But I think they're so cute. They remind me of Vans. But yeah, let me know what y'all think of these. I think these are super, super cute. I like the other ones just because right here, that part was like orange. But these are definitely super cute. And I wanted to, you know, support Virgil, you know, R.I.P. Virgil. But yeah, I wanted to show love. Right here, it has a little, let me see if you guys can see it. Damn, I'm struggling. So on the back it says that. And then the laces, of course, have like little wording and all of that as well. Like they say shoelaces on both sides. And then this little tag or whatever. Like, I think some people will probably take this thing off just because they're like, is this part of the style? And I think yes, this is definitely part of the, like, the swag of the shoe. So I'm definitely not taking that off. I'm gonna keep it on. And I wish I could get y'all, let's see if I can untie it, then maybe you'll be able to see the tongue. It says like Off-White, co-owner Virgil. I don't know how to say his last name. Sorry, there's a fly in here. Made on Earth, designed on a plane. So definitely wanted to, you know, I'm buying all this other designer, so why not support a black designer, right? So got those. I low-key want to take my Gucci shoes back and get the ones that I showed y'all earlier, because I just do. So these are it, y'all. Nothing super spectacular on the bottom. It does look like this already, like it's kind of been worn, but it hasn't. So yeah, let's see. Oh, this must have been the display, because I just noticed that this sticker was there. I'm blind. That's crazy. Huh. It must have got to be in the display. Vulcanized Soul. Off-White, co-owner Virgil Abloh. I don't know. Defining the gray area between black and white as the color Off-White. That's what it says. So that's it for this video, you guys. Let me know what you think about these in the comment section. Like I said, I'm about to wear it today. Let me show you what I have on just real quick. Nothing spectacular. Yeah, I have a Nike hat on, mismatching. Who cares? But anyways, so I just have on a white tee with like these little Daisy Dukes or whatever, like these little hoochie daddy shorts. It's like, no. And then I have like this tied around my waist, so it's kind of like a little swaggy. And then I'm gonna throw these bad boys on, and we're gonna go. So here they go on my feet. I wanted to give you guys a glimpse of this because I didn't get any full body pictures besides the ones they took of me in the club, and I didn't really like those. So I wanted to go ahead and insert some footage just so that y'all could see what they look like on my feet. I like them. I think they're super comfortable, super cute. And I definitely want to go ahead and cop that other pair because I need a solid, well, I need like a plain black and white shoe. So I think I'm going to go get them. Other than that, that's it. Thank you guys for watching another video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.